In this video, we will explore how to schedule one-time tasks for future execution in Linux using the @ command. This utility is essential for automating tasks that need to be run only once at a specific time. The @ command is a Linux utility used for scheduling one-time tasks. It executes commands at a specified time in the future. Unlike cron, which is used for recurring tasks, @ is designed for non-repeating actions. The @ command is included in most Linux distributions. Key features include the ability to schedule tasks for future execution, support for various time formats, maintenance of a queue of scheduled jobs, and preservation of the current environment. The basic format of the @ command is @ followed by the time you want the task to be executed. After entering this command, you'll be prompted to type the commands you want to execute. To schedule the job, press Ctrl+D when you're finished typing the commands. Here is an example. To schedule a backup at 2:30 p.m., you would type at 14:30. You may receive a warning that commands will be executed using /bin/sh. Then you can enter your commands like tar-czf backup, /home, /user/documents to create a compressed archive of the documents folder. Followed by echo backup completed pipe mail s-backup status user at example.com to send the confirmation email to the user. Finally, press Ctrl+D. The output will display a job number and the scheduled date and time. The @ command supports various time specifications. You can specify an exact time such as at 14:30, which schedules the task for 2:30 p.m. today. You can use the AM/PM format, such as at 2:30 p.m., which also schedules the task for 2:30 p.m. today. You can specify a date and time, such as at 14:30 October 15th, to schedule the task for 2:30 p.m. on October 15th. Relative times are also supported. For example, at now plus 2 hours schedules the task 2 hours from now. You can use name times such as at midnight to schedule the task for 12 a.m. tomorrow. Finally, you can specify a day, such as at 10 o'clock tomorrow, to schedule the task for 10 a.m. tomorrow. To list all pending jobs, use the command @ or @l. The output shows the job identification, scheduled date and time, queue, and username. To remove scheduled jobs, use the command term followed by the job identification or @ followed by the job identification. Use the job identification from the @ command to remove specific scheduled tasks. You can use a script file with the @ command to execute a series of commands. For example, to schedule a script to run at 3 a.m. tomorrow, you would type at 3 o'clock tomorrow fbackup_script sh. The F option allows you to specify a file containing commands to execute. You can also redirect output. To schedule a task and save its output to a log file, use the command at midnight. Then enter the command like find/homename*, tmp, delete >var/log/cleanup.log2 and 1. This command finds and deletes temporary files and saves the output to a log file. You can redirect output to files just like with regular shell commands. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.